Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Firdaus Amjad Muhammad Shukri. Matrix number DB240103. So today I would like to explain about how to use a Google site. So first of all, Google site is a user-friendly website. It's creation tool developed by Google that allow user to build a published website without needing advanced technical or coding skill. Its main function is to help individuals, students, teachers, and organizations create informative and collaborative websites such as portfolio. So first of all, my job is introduction about Google site, and Harid how to create a page, and Asrul how to insert and edit image, Shami how to insert button and media from YouTube, and lastly Akmal how to compile group member link to a one home page.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Hello, my name is Ashraf bin Abbasin. My matrix number is DB240074. So my job today is to show you how to insert and edit image. So first, you need to choose your layout. So let's say you choose this layout, and you see this is the place that you put your picture. So you click this plus item, so you select image or upload your image. So let's say we choose this image and then insert the image, and there you go, there's your image. And then this part is your description, so you can edit, so you can just type your description, like this is when I play my football team, so you type football. Right, so that's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Ali Imam Rashidi. Okay, next, my part to create a new page. Click the page tab at the right panel and select the plus icon, this one. Okay, and enter the page name, for example, about me. Okay, and then you just click done. Okay, the page will automatically appear in the navigation menu. After selecting the page, add the content by using the insert tab, where you can include the box, image, PDF file from Google Drive or on YouTube video. Okay, thank you.
Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Syahmul Azam Yusaifu Masri. My matrix number is DB240107. This part I will show you how to insert button and media link. Okay, first you go insert and you click the button and you insert education background. Okay, then this is our button. Okay, next I will show you how to insert media link. First, go to content block here. After that, you click on the picture icon and option will appear, and click on YouTube, and you search what you want. For example,
Okay, Assalamualaikum and good health for everyone. Firstly, I want to introduction myself. My name is Muhammad Akmal Iqbal bin Syamsul Nizam. My number matrix is DB240118. Today I want to present to you guys about how to compile my link group to one page. Okay, I want to this I want to test you for tutorial. Okay, firstly we must to settle our e-portfolio, and then we got the right side for the bottom is published. Okay, when we click, there are no unpublished change to review because we already published. Okay, we return to page and then we copy this link. When we copy, we move to the another Google site, and then for homepage we got group 1 biodata. Okay, and then for the before that I copy link Amjad e-portfolio. I threw another e-portfolio and I type group 1 for biodata, and then I click this page and I click upload. I set many another page and I click, so I open. We saw the picture was inserted in the page, in the email, and then we click right, we click insert link, and then we paste link before that, and then we apply. After apply, we try to preview. Okay, after preview, we just type we want to publish. Before that, we want to publish. Okay, just type group portfolio. Okay, after we already type, we must select any content block, because if you have a 5 or 3, must click, and then we choose any page, any picture, and then we click double. You saw insert link, we click and we paste link before, and then we apply. How to try? We click preview. Okay, when we click preview, we try for test link. Okay, this page already out when we click the link. Yeah, this all from me. Thank you.